Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration video of Dashboard Ninja with AI. Today we'll explore one of our most powerful features, drill down actions. So what exactly are drill down actions? They're your gateway to diving deeper into your data. Imagine this, you're analyzing sales orders for different customers, and you want to uncover details like which salesperson closed these deals and the exact days the orders were created. But here's the twist, you don't want a cluttered list. Instead, you want clean, insightful charts. Let's see how you can achieve this effortlessly using Dashboard Ninja's drill down actions. Here's how to set it up. Click on the Quick Customize button, navigate to the Actions section, and start adding your desired actions. First, let's select salesperson data. Set the item type to a horizontal bar chart. Sort by the total sales orders in ascending order. Next, add another action for order date. Since we're dealing with dates, group them by day. Again, choose a bar chart and sort by total sales orders in ascending order. You can add as many actions as you need, tailoring them to your specific requirements. Once done, hit Save. Now let's see it in action. I'll click on Gemini Furniture. Instantly, you'll see the sales data broken down by salesperson. Curious about a specific salesperson? Let's click on Mark Demo. Here's a detailed view of the sales Mark Demo made, organized by date and amount. This seamless drill down and drill up capability transforms your data into actionable insights, making Dashboard Ninja a game changer for businesses. Thank you for watching this demo of drill down actions in Dashboard Ninja. We hope you found it insightful and helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you unlock the full potential of Dashboard Ninja.